Grandpa, grandma,
uncle, aunt,
brother and sister. They all are going for a family picnic. Somebody should drive the van. Hashim, tell me who wants to drive the van. Tell me. Grandpa. Yes. Grandpa is going to drive the van. Where are they going? Where are they going?
family picnic.
Family picnic. Very good. Okay. Now, Lakshita, tell me who else wants to go into the van? Tell me from the family, you select one person can go into the van. Who? Select sister. Yes, Lakshita wants sister to go into the van. Yes, sister got into the van. Now tell me, Tulin, who else wants to go into the van? Mommy? Yeah, Mama wants to go into the van. Mama will go into the van. Very good. Ayat, tell me who else can go into the van? Who else can go into the van?
Uncle, aunt, grandma, papa.
Uncle? Yeah, Ayat wants uncle to go into the van. Very good. And then now, Shridev, tell me who else can go into the van? Tell me who? Who is he? Auntie. Auntie should go into the van. Okay, now tell me Nilan, tell me who else can go into the van? Who is he?
Boy.
Brother. So brother is also going into the van. Very good. Okay, now two more are remaining. Now tell me Pranav, who else can go into the van? Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? Tell me, who is he?
father.
Say father. Yeah, father is going into the van now. Now tell me, Advik, tell me who can go into the van? Grandmama. Very good. Grandmama also going into the van. Very good. So now they all are going for a family picnic. Say all of you.
Family picnic.
So who is going to drive the van?